This is Matt channel. We have today logarithmic equation. Let's go to the board. Hi, welcome to Matt channel. What we have today is logarithmic equation, continuation of logarithm, laws of logarithm. So we'll see how we can solve equation of logarithms. When logs are combined together to form equation, how can handle it? Look at example 1, having in mind all the laws of logarithm. Solve for x in 2 log x base a minus log x minus 1 base a equals to log x minus 2 base a. Look at this. We say, let's look at the left hand side. The left hand side is equals to this one, log x power 2 this way base a minus log x minus 1 base a. This will give us, obey the second law, base a. Since it is minus, we are going to add up the powers. No, divide the powers, it's minus. If it's plus, we multiply the powers. You have x squared all over x minus 1. Now you have solved out the left hand side. We are going to equate to the right hand side. Therefore, log x squared x minus 1 base a, the left hand side, is equals to the right hand side. Log x minus 2 base a. Since we have the same base on the opposite side, we now cancel it. Cancel, cancel. Then write this, therefore x squared over x minus 1 is equals to x minus 2. As you can see, what do? We are going to solve this problem. This is like over 1. We cross multiply. Cross multiply. We have x squared is equals to x minus 1 bracket x minus 2 when I multiply. Now you have x squared is equals to, open bracket, you have x, first one will multiply x minus 2 minus second one will multiply x minus 2. This is how to open brackets in algebra. This multiply this, and this multiply this. So we have x squared is equals to x times x, x squared, x times minus 2, minus 2x. Minus 1 times x minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2. In this case, we are going to collect like terms. Look at this. You have x squared. When this cross to this side, you have minus x squared. When this cross to this side, plus 2x. When minus x cross to this side, you have plus x equals to 2 did not cross. I collected like terms. That is collecting like terms. Like terms. Let x this side, let non-x this side. X minus x squared will go. So I have 2x plus x will give us 3x equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 over 3. That is your answer. It's very easy. We look at another question, another example. I have so many examples to explain this topic very well. Okay, example 2. Find the value of x if log 10 plus 9x base 10 minus log 11 minus x base 10 is equals to 2. This is a simple task. You can see they have the same base. What do we do? Since it is subtraction, we divide the log. To give you log 10 plus 9x divided by 11 minus x, all in base 10, equals to 2. There are two ways you can handle this. Can I apply the first method we did by saying let this equality become the power of the base equals to the log. Or you say this is 2 and this is log base 10. And log of its own base is 1. If I multiply this side by log 10 base 10, which is 1, it will not change my question. I will say, okay, log therefore, what I've been doing, the equality becomes the power of the base, such that you have 10 squared. This base is raised to power 2 equals to 10 plus 9x all over 10 minus x, 11 minus x. This will give you 100 because 10 squared is 100 is equals to 10 plus 9x all over 11 minus x. We cross multiply. Cross multiplying. We have this times this. 100 bracket 1 minus x is equals to 10 plus 9x. Open bracket 1100 minus 100x. 100 times 11 is this. 100 times x is this. Equals to 10 plus 9x. So we collect like terms. Minus 100x minus 9x. When 9x comes to this side, is equals to 10 minus 1100. I'll have this as give you minus 109x is equals to 10 minus 1100 will give you minus 1090. Therefore, to make x stand alone, we divide both sides by minus 109. Minus 109x over minus 109 is equals to minus 1090 over minus 109. So that when we cancel this and this, x will stand alone. So minus minus will go, and 109 cancel this give us 10. Because this cancel this will give us 10. So 10 is your answer. We look at another example, example 3. Example 3. We have example 3. Given that 6 log n plus 4 is equals to 2 log 8. Find n. Look at this. What do we do? What do we do? Find n. Okay. We can say six log n plus 2 is equals to 2 log 8. If we divide both sides by 2 to reduce the equation, since 2 can divide both sides, we have 3 log n plus 4. That is 2 cancel here, you have 3, equals to 2 cancel here, you have log 8. As you can see, obey the law of logarithm. We have log n plus 4 all raised to power 3 is equals to log 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, power of 3. So in that case, let log cancel each other. We have n plus 4 raised to the power 3 is equals to 2 raised to the power 3. Mathematically, since the power are the same on the opposite side, it implies that n plus 4 is also 2. Because they are equal in all ramifications. So we say that n is equals to 2 minus 4. When I move 4 to this side, I'll have n is equals to minus 2. Answer. We'll go to another example. Another example. I think example 4. Solve for x in 4 log root x base a minus log 3x base a is equals to log x minus 2 base a. Look at this solution. The left hand side, let's solve left hand side first, will give us this is the same base. We have log root x raised to power 4 base a minus log 3x base a. I am solving the left hand side first. They have the same base, so I'm going to divide the log. I'll have log base a is equals to root x power 4 all over 3x. And this will give us root x power 4. Remember that a root is root means x power half bracket 4 over 3x base a will give you cancel. I'll have log x squared over 3x base a. Now I have this left hand side, I will equate to the right hand side. Therefore, log x squared over 3x base a is equals to log x minus 2 base A. In this case, the log will go, I'll have hence, comma, x squared over 3x is equals to x power minus 2. I'll have this, and this will give you x over 3. When I cancel this, x here is equals to, here is 1 over x squared. Remember how to remove the power minus. Cross multiply. I'll have this times this. X times x squared is x cubed equals to 3. So therefore, x is equals to, when the square, when the cube crosses the square, the root, it becomes the cube root. Will give you cube root of 3. This is your answer, or 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. Anyone you like is your answer. I hope that is clear. The last example here will be simplify. Log x base 3 plus log y base 4 equals to 5, comma, log 2 log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4 equals to 12. Let's look at this. This looks like simultaneous equation. They don't have the same base. This is base 3, this is base 4. Base 3, base 4. What do? We can say, okay, let log x base 3 be n, and log y base 4 be n, such that we'll have here n plus n equals to 5, equation 1, and here we'll have 2n plus 3n equals to 12, equation 2. So we are going to solve this equation. Look at this. You have from equation 1, n is 5 minus n, equation 3. Put equation 3 into equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 here, anywhere I see n, I'll put 5 minus n. This is 2n. I'll remove the n and put 5 minus n. This is 2n. Remove n and put 5 minus n plus 3m equals to 12. This times will give you 10 minus 2m plus 3m equals to 12. They give you 10. 2m, 3m gives you m, 12. So therefore, m is 12 minus 10, give us 2. M is 2. In equation 3, comma, n is equals to 5 minus m minus m. This implies that n is equals to 5 minus 2 because m is now 2 to give us 3. So n is 3, m is 2. But that is not our answer. We are looking for x and y. So we can now say that we made log x base 3 as n. This means that log x base 3 is equal to what is n? N is 3. Therefore, remember, the equality becomes the power of the base. Log the x now 3 raised to the power 3, that is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Also, this is your answer for x. Also, log y base 3, log y base 4 is m. Log y base 4, what is m? M is 2. Obey the logarithm, the quantity becomes the power of the base, so the y becomes 4 raised to the power 2. Give us what? 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer for x is 27. The answer for y is 16. You see, it's very easy. And here comes to the end of this logarithmic function. Please, if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And press the notification bell so that when I drop another video, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you and remain blessed.